Clear to land, runway 21, Mooney 58 X-ray.
Greetings from the flight deck, everybody. This is your captain speaking, Aviate Nate here on the 13th of December, probably my last flying video for the year. So we're about to just do some pattern work here at Shannon. I have a little bit of a new setup going on with my iPad mounted up here, which I'm pretty excited about. So we're gonna just do some simple pattern work here to kind of cap the year off with some nice easy stuff. As I looked at my yearly recap from ForeFlight, I didn't fly as much as I wanted to this year. I had a bunch of other stuff, you know, kind of come up. I did some upgrades for sure. I had some downtime in the spring for my annual and the engine monitor install, so there was some stuff. But nonetheless, I didn't hit the number I wanted to this year, which is fine. I did do some really exciting flying though, so I'm just not I'm not committing to these yet. I'm not totally sure I need the sunglasses. All right, anyway, yep, I'm gonna keep this one short and sweet so you don't have to sit through 15 or 20 minutes of me doing airplane landings. Here we go. Rock and roll. Haven't heard anybody call in a little bit, so I think it's just going to be us in the pattern here for our first landing in a while. So we will set this up for 0. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray departing runway 24, left closed traffic in the pattern, Shannon. Fix rich, flaps set for takeoff, 1, 2, pumps, flaps, gear handle can transit to lock. A little trick that Casey showed me on the flight review was to just use the entire runway, you know. And I like, whoa, there's a little end marker there I almost kissed. I like that idea though, actually, just might as well use it all. Check all of our stuff one more time here before we give it the gas to go. Doors locked, seatbelt is good. Lights are set. I got a 2-4 here, I got a 2-4 there. Here we go. Power is coming in. Power is set, right rudder is coming in. Always forget how much right rudder I need. All right, gauges are green. Good power, 65, rotate. The wind helped me out. Flaps up. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, left crosswind 24, Shannon. Climbing turn for our crosswind. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, left downwind 24, Shannon. Chop that power down. Hang on to our pattern altitude because I climbed right over it.
Shannon traffic, Skyline 849 Charlie Fox, forward to the south, inbound, full stop landing. We'll set up for a left downwind 24, and we'll be watching for the moving traffic.
We're downwind. Gear can come down. Gear down, locked. Feeling good there. Lights are set, flaps are still up. 2-4 looks clear. 90 knots here, that all looks good. All right, we are abeam. We'll begin our descent now.
Skyline 9 Charlie Fox, left downwind 24, Shannon. Mooney, same position, please.
Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray is left downwind 24, Shannon. Hey, that's my fault. 58 X-ray is turning left base 24. My fault too, Shannon.
Okay, we'll be looking for you, thanks.
And Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, final 24, full stop, Shannon. Come around on final. Gear down and locked. Flaps are set for landing.
And Mooney, I have you in sight.
Pitch for airspeed, power for altitude.
And 9 Charlie Fox, steering left base 24, Shannon, number 2.
Little crosswind from the left, I gotta remember that. All right, we're gonna get a good 75 across the fence here. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, back taxi 24, Shannon.
9 Charlie Fox, short final 24.
I will be out of your way in 1 second.
Thank you, sir.
Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, clear 24, Shannon.
Well done.
Man, that wasn't my best. It's a little bumpier out here than I expected, so that's what that is. Landing 1. I got a well done from that guy. That's nice. It actually wasn't a bad landing, honestly. I thought it was going to be way shittier than that, but it wasn't bad. Okay, here we go again. Number 2 here. We're going to go flaps set for takeoff. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, departing runway 24, left closed traffic in the pattern, Shannon. All right, cool. We'll do mix full rich. We're gonna head on in to the runway. All of our gauges and lights are set. We'll do one more on this tank. Yep, and then I'll switch. I'm on my right tank, I got 14 gallons. I mean, I burned like 2 gallons of gas, so. Gear can transit, mix is rich, props full forward, flaps are set for takeoff. Number 2, here we go. Power's coming in. Right rudder is coming in. Right rudder is in, power is set, gauges are green, airspeed is alive. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray is left crosswind 24, Shannon. Woo-hoo-hoo! That wind is serious, man. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray entering left downwind, runway 24, Shannon. Got the traffic overflying Shannon in sight, 58 X-ray.
Shannon traffic. Left downwind 24, Shannon.
I don't know what he's doing. Aircraft to Shannon, you got a Mooney 58 X-rays over here in left downwind. What are your intentions, please?
Go ahead, Mooney. You're faster. You could go first.
Traffic, 9 o'clock, same altitude, less than 1 mile.
Oh yeah, I see him, thank you. Do you see me off the right there?
Yeah, I'm cutting behind you, Mooney.
Hey firm, see ya. Thanks. Okay, gear coming down. Gear down, locked. And Shannon traffic, Mooney 58 X-ray is turning left base 24, Shannon. Everything under control. I just got a lot of altitude I gotta get rid of, so. Get our flaps in, 1, 2, perfect. And Shannon traffic, Mooney 58 X-ray, left final 24, Shannon. I said left final, you guys. I give people shit for saying that all the time. I'll tell you what though, that boy spooked me out. I see him back there. That was some that was not fun. Focus on the landing, Nate. Gear down, locked. Flaps are set. Mix is rich. Prop is full forward. Speed is looking good. Slight wind off to our left. Chopping some more power so I can descend a little bit more. Power down. Shannon traffic, 58 X-ray back taxi 24, Shannon. I can see this guy. He should be like right behind me. Shannon traffic, Mooney 58 X-ray clear 24, Shannon. Okay, y'all, that's number 2. I got a little bit of confusion action there with the other dude who just, I don't know, man. You don't enter the downwind from that side. It's like, so I don't know who that was. And I will edit the video to avoid putting their tail number in there. What we just saw happen though, the airplane that's landing now entered the pattern from the airport side as opposed to from the off airport side. And what that does is we were flying side by side, like parallel to each other, and I couldn't turn base because I didn't know if he was going to run into me. Basically, the traffic alert went off on the GPS, you heard that. So for pilots watching, enter and exit the pattern correctly, especially when you're at an airport where there's no control tower. And you know, who knows, I called left final, that was stupid. I called my first base turn, I called downwind, stupid also. So I've made a few little mistakes today, but I always try to do my best to follow every single safety regulation because that's the stuff. Maybe I'm just a rule follower, but I do try to keep up with it. Okay, number 3 for the day. I'm at the hold short line. This is good. Etc. Flaps for takeoff. Gear can transit. Do not need my sunglasses, which has been real nice. Prop is full forward. We're going to switch our tank now. We're going to switch to the left tank so we kind of burn even. I'm going to switch we're going to do fuel pump on. Tank switch, pump off. So we're burning left tank now. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray departing 24, left close traffic in the pattern, Shannon. Mix is rich. Final looks clear. Flaps are set for takeoff. Yep, good. All right, here we go. Number 3 for today. Flaps are down. Gear handle can transit. Here we go. Power's coming in. Right rudder is coming in. Power is set. Right rudder is in. Gauges are green. Airspeed is alive. 60, 65, rotate. Wow, some really choppy takeoffs today. Flaps up. Good runway heading, good climb out speed, 500 feet. Shannon traffic Mooney, 1258 X-ray, left crosswind 24 Shannon. There's pattern altitude. Cool. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, left downwind 24 Shannon. Pull our power to maintain our altitude here. All right, downwind, looking good here. We got gumps coming up, gas is on the fullest tank. That's gear down and locked. Flaps are up for now, but ready to rock and roll. All right, we are abeam our touchdown point. We'll start a descent. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, left base 24, full stop Shannon. All right, I called it the right thing that time. That's good. We'll go 1, 2 pumps of flaps in our base turn here. I could actually use a little more power. All right, final looks clear. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, final 24, full stop Shannon. And man, look at that beautiful sky. It gets dark so early that, you know, we get a sunset at like 3 o'clock. Not really, that's a bit of an exaggeration, but burn off this altitude. I like the airspeed, I just gotta burn the altitude. Four, across the fence, power's out, settle in. Whoa, now settle in. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. I don't know how I managed to hit so hard. I thought I was right there. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, back taxi 24 Shannon. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, clear 24, taxiing to fuel Shannon. So we'll get some gas. I'll park it. Not much exciting to see after the gas stops, so I'll roll up here to the gas pump. We're here at the gas pump. I'm gonna get some gas in the airplane. I'm gonna put the airplane away. I've got a few more videos planned for the year, but we're so close to the end of the year. This is my last video in the airplane. So thank you all so much for watching. Until the next one, this is Aviate Nate, and you can be my wingman anytime.
Clear to land, runway 21, Mooney 58 X-ray.